is going on? It is Coach Jordan. We're gonna make something on this box. I actually got this from Michael's. So these came from Home Goods, and these are actually like a nested set. So I did find these at the Home Goods. So I'm gonna start off with some foam. So this is just regular green foam, you guys. This is my favorite one from like the Dollar Tree. You can get it in the blocks. This one I did cut off of a brick of it. I'm just gonna angle that on there, you guys. Really cute idea that I got here today. So this is kind of my idea: a pumpkin right here and a pumpkin right here. The disco theme is very much still alive, y'all. Okay. So I want to bring in some of this black garland that I had. Wrap that around there. So these are just pieces that I had left, so I'm just going to stick those in there. So I want to be able to put this right on there and then this right down here. So nothing wild, crazy. Now you can choose other pumpkins as well. You can also do this for fall. I cut these lollipops up for another project. But I think I need the lollipop in there. I feel like I need the lollipop. So we're going to have the lollipop. I wonder if I can fit this one back here. Oh yeah, I like that way better. So I'm going to glue down my pumpkins. Cut that off. And then nice little healthy dosage of hot glue here, you guys. Hold that down. I'm just gluing that one down. I glued this one down, making sure that it stays. Now this one is the glittered eucalyptus. So we're gonna cut this up. Okay. Glue that in. Just a little touch of glitter, you know, because we have to have glitter. We have to. Okay, so just filling that in. Okay, so I'm going to bring in some of this ribbon right here, some black and orange, still keeping with the theme, you guys, black and orange. And all I want to do is I want to bring in just some like little loops and tails. Okay. And this is why I added in that garland, because you can add pieces just like this in your garland. I love this ribbon, you guys. I love the tinsel edge on it. So just coming on in, adding a little bit of that ribbon, my tails. So just adding in that ribbon and little tails and loops, you guys. Look how it filled it up. Now, what's really cool too is if you want to use the container for another project, you definitely can, because this can be kind of like a little bit of a tray. You can definitely do that as well. You can also flip it inside out if you want to, but I'm just gonna keep it as a container like that. So I only have this piece of this candy corn spray, you guys. So I'm only gonna have a few pieces of this, but I love finding stuff like this that I can cut up into some smaller pieces, like right there. So I want a little bit of this over here. I'm making sure to get the foam, guys. You want to make sure you get that foam. Next, I'm going to bring in some pearls. I think I'm going to do the black and orange. Now, these did come from Michael's this year, you guys. So, good coupon. Always got to have a good coupon. So, I'm going to have that hanging down. Now, I want to tell you guys, I feel there's a little bit of a naked spot right over here. So what I'm going to do is just cut some ribbon. Let's see if I can tuck that in under. I'm going to bring these in. So I'm going to cut that up. So just adding in a little bit of candy corn here and there. Love these because you can cut these up into some smaller pieces, you guys. So it's a stem, but it's got five balls on it. So you can cut those up. Add in a little bit of this black greenery that I kind of have left over from another project, which I've used the heck out of this year, you guys. This fern, which also came from Joann's, but I do know that we had one at Deco. It was a black maidenhair fern. I would definitely have used the black maidenhair fern if I had it inside. Oh, I love how this came out, you guys. And I love that it's still kind of sticking with the theme of the disco. So we're going to take the lid off. I feel like we need to put a little band on here. Just going to glue that down. Just bring this back. So I do like also that it can act as a storage container. So like you can put stuff in there. Gonna hide all that. Boom. Done. But there we have it, you guys. Really stinking cute. Now you could have gone and wrapped the this part right here, but I think this looks way cuter without it wrapped.